Hello guys, again we are back with a new unboxing review and testing of this Parkside pants, pliers and eyelet pliers set. 202 pieces set inside, suitable for various materials such as cardboard, felt, leather and fabric. So you can see some pictures from the other side, and let's open it to see what we have inside. Now there's the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice. Stay with me, I'm going to find out all about that. Nice case. We've got one pair of revolving pants pliers, 225mm, for 6 different hole diameters, you can see, and one pair of Eyelet pliers, 150mm, with 200 decorative eyelets in various designs and colors, with a nice box. You can unlock it from here. You can choose from here by rotating that. And same here, you can unlock and lock. Well, let's try them to see how they work. Now here we are, we've got this belt and we need to make some installation of these eyelets. Well, choosing the right one, you can rotate from here. I will choose this with the shape of a heart. I have the belt here. Just find the position that you want, and then very hard. Okay, and you can see we've got a hole. If you want, you can try it from the other side, just to open it better. Well, now you can choose the shape of the heart, what color you want. And you can install it here. You can see it goes all the way out. Now you can take the eye pillar, and this head, it will go here, and the other from this side. And squeeze it. And you can see the shape. It's very clear. Oh, nice. Now let's choose the butterfly. The butterfly, I can say it doesn't have much of a length, you see. That means you need a thinner belt to work with that, but I will give it a try here. Let's take the red. Same here, find the right diameter. I think it's that. Find the position you want to install. Okay. Do that, and from the other side. And now squeeze it with that. And I think we are good. Yeah, nice. Of course, you can install into your shoes. There are varieties of items that you can use in a jean. You can decorate your jeans. Next, we have this shape of a petal. Well, let's give it a try on that. Take this gold. Yes. and we're good. Now next we've got the shape of a star. Let's take the silver. This is a little bit longer from the petal and the butterfly. Here. If you can see doesn't fit, you can change from here and do it again, and from the other side. Now it will fit. And you're good. Well guys, that was all about this pants, pliers and eyelet plier set from Parkside. They cost about €5 all the set. And if you like to make some decoration to your shoes, to your jeans, to your belt, well, why not just buy it? You can fill up your free time and play with this plier eyelet set. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.